Welcome to Safobafo's Poultry Farm, quality with affordability. Are you planning to have a poultry farm or do you already have a poultry farm? Then it is very important to plant coconut, pear, mangoes, cassava, etc. in your poultry farm. Your workers and yourself are going to need it someday. If you grow coconut on some part of your land whereby you cannot build a structure, one day these coconuts that you are planting can provide a source of income for you. Another advantage of planting coconut in your poultry farm is that it can block heavy rain or rain. When planting your coconut, don't make the hole deep. After making a shallow hole, pour water in it and leave it. After leaving it for 10 minutes, put your coconut seedling in the hole. When covering it, don't cover all with the soil. Let some part of it enter.
1, 2,
Cover it with soil, but don't cover all. Let some little part of the seed be seen. After planting it, make sure you water it regularly. This is modernized coconut, so it would take only 3 to 5 years to mature. Don't cover all. Let some part of the seed be seen. On the next day, I planted pineapple. It is good to have varieties of fruits in your farm. It is going to help a lot in the near future. As you are trying to invest in a business, Try also to invest in your health. Planting different kinds of fruit in your farm is a sign of investing in your health. Thank you all.